Did you know Australia once fought a war against birds? And the birds won. In 1932, 20,000 emus invaded Australian wheat farms during the Great Depression. Farmers were desperate, so they called the military for help. World War I veterans showed up, armed with machine guns. Thought it'd be easy. Just birds, right? Ooh, they're wrong. The emus were too fast, too smart, like almost bulletproof. They scattered, regrouped, and outran trucks carrying guns. After thousands of bullets and only a few hundred birds down, the army admitted defeat. The emus had literally outsmarted the military. Parliament even joked that if anyone deserved medals, it was the emus. Humans, 0. Birds, 1. This was the Great Emu War, the only war humans lost to birds.